But the very next minute, I proved he was wrong, for just at that minute, a chap came along, and he thought that the need I had knitted was great. He happily bought it for $3.98. I laughed at the Lorax. You poor stupid guy. You never can tell what some people will buy. I repeat, cried the Lorax. I speak for the trees. I'm busy, I told him. Shut up, if you please. I rushed across the room, and then in no time at all built a radio phone. I put in a quick call. I called on my brothers and uncles and aunts and said, listen here, here's a wonderful chance for the whole Once family to get mighty rich. Get over here fast. Take the road to North Niche. Turn left at Wee Walkin', sharp right at South Stitch. The needs. And in no time at all, the factory was built. The whole Once family was working full tilt. We were all knitting beads, just as busy as bees, to the sound of the chopping truffle trees. Then, oh, baby, oh, how my business did grow. Now chopping one tree at a time was too slow. So I quickly invented a super axe hacker which whacked off 4 truffle trees at one smacker. We were making thieves 4 times as fast as before, and the Lorax, he didn't show up anymore. But the next week, he knocked on my new office door. He snapped. I'm Lorax, responsible for the trees, which you seem to be chopping as fast as you please, but I'm also in charge of the brown barbaloots who played in the shade in their barbaloot suits and happily lived eating truffle fruits. Now, thanks to you hacking my trees to the ground, there's not enough truffle fruit to go around. And my poor barbaloots are all getting the crummies because they have gas and no food in their little tummies. They love living here, but I can't let them stay. They'll have to find food, and I hope that they may. Good luck, boys, he cried, and he sent them away. I, the Onceler, felt sad as I watched them all go, but business is business, and business must grow, regardless of crummies and tummies, you know. Yeah. Yep. I meant no harm, I most truly did not, but I had to grow bigger, so bigger I got. I biggered my factory, I biggered my roads, I biggered my wagons, I biggered the loads. I biggered the sneeze, and I shipped out. I was shipping them forth and south, to the east, to the west, to the north. I went on biggering, selling more needs, and I biggened my money, which everyone needs. Then again, he came back. I was fixing some pipes when that old nuisance Lorax came back with more gripes. I am the Lorax, he coughed and he whiffled. He sneezed and he snuffled. He snargled, he sniffled. Onceler, he cried with a crufflish croak. Onceler! You're making such marvelous smoke, my poor swimey swans, while they can't sing a note. No one can sing who has smoke in his throat. And so, said the Lorax, please pardon my cough. They cannot live here, so I'm sending them off. Where would they go? I don't hopefully know. They may have to fly for a month or a year to escape the smog that you smogged around here. Once more, snapped the Lorax. His dander was up. Let me say a few words about glippity-glip. The machinery chugs on day and night without stop making glippity-glip, also slappity-slap. And what do you do with the leftover goo? I'll show you, you dirty old once-for man, you! You glump in the pond with a humming fish hound. No one can, no more can they hum for the geezer or ground. So I'm sending them off. Oh, their future is dreary. They'll walk on their fins and get woefully weary in search of some water that isn't so smeary. And then I got mad. I got terribly mad. I yelled at the Lorax. Now listen here, Dad. All you do is yap yap and say bad, 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 bad. Well, I have my rights, sir, and I'm telling you, I intend to go on just doing what I do. And for your information, you Lorax, I'm figuring on biggering and biggering and biggering and biggering. More and more truffle trees and the needs, which everyone needs. And at that very moment, we heard a loud whack, and from outside the fields came a smickering smack of an axe on a tree. Then we heard the tree fall, the very last truffle tree of them all. No more trees, no more needs, no more work to be done. So in no time, my uncles and aunts